Yeah. Hey, I'ma just keep this shit real, alright? Savage Mind. Yeah, 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 I do it for my city, I do this for my hometown. I do it for everybody, nobody bringing me down. I do it for all this music and all who have paved the way. Now I do it for myself, I'm switching up the game today. I was growing up, they said I got rhythm. Now I follow dreams like a religion. Working for peace, I hate all division. Honestly, unity is my...
So we're gonna be taking that home tonight, just to get it to go through its paces, get the oil circulating, and then to see if there's any other issues that we find. Oh, y'all chilling. Hello. Who's this?
Mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
That shit kind of clean, dog.
Found it.
Where'd you find it at?
It was in the forest.
Pow!
Get him, Clyde!
Don't get nothing.
Get him, Clyde! Get him, Clyde!
Made it to the gas station. Bringing back memories yet? About to let Lamar try the damn RX-7 that he did the tune on the drivability thing. So he about to be pushing this for a minute just to see what it feel like. I'm going to clean my fucking glass because it's dirty. Super dirty. This is too hard. Let's see how she do on the ride to the Heezy. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, otherwise I'm gonna have to call cousin. He don't know it yet. Hey, this was clean under the light though. Shit crazy. Well, first things first. She drives pretty smooth. No death wobble in the front wheels, so they're balanced. Cruising pretty good, you know, a little 70. Sounds cool. Nothing to report. Heater works. We here comfy. So I was driving this home yesterday. Got on it a little bit. And I couldn't tell for the life of me why it was smoking. Can y'all see that? Right there. See that shit? Get this out the way. So, I got home all the way home. Smooth. And then, see that? See that fat ass hole. So, what happened is, look at my fingers in it. So I must have got on it, built pressure. Since these hoses look like they're fucking factory, it must have burst the hose. So that's a problem, and it's probably been a problem that I've been chasing for a while. So we'll MacGyver that back together, get it back running, and take it back to the shop. But I just wanted to show you guys that. That's what happened to me last night. Working on, or not even working on it, deciding to drive it home last minute. So now I gotta make last minute repairs. So sucks, but I guess I figured it out. All right, finally got it out. And there you go. That busted on me on my way to the house. After one pull, wide open throttle, 7,000 RPM. Started smoking like crazy, as you can imagine. So either I gotta go to the parts store, see if I can find this, or find something close so I can get this thing back on the road ASAP. Because I don't like having cars down. But it's out. Way down there. So that's the neck going into the motor, and that's the pipes that go under the car leading to the radiator. So yeah, so I see bleeding in my future. All right, so I got a generic hose, and I was able to get that generic hose to fit and line up. So now I'm just gonna tighten these up, put the can back, or the coolant reservoir, fill it up, make sure there's no leaks, start it up, warm it up, make sure it's not overheating, do any funny business, and then I'll bleed it. So I assume that the radiator is still full pretty much, because this is the thermostat hose. Thermostat is on the block here. You can't see it, it's under the intake. But assuming that this was shut off, might have a little bit of fluid in there, but I might have to bleed it right there. That little bleed screw right there. And then maybe there's another one on the block somewhere, but I'll show you that when I'm done, or at that portion of it. So put the coolant thing back in, filled it up, but it's over full, right? So come over here, that's the bleeder. Bled it a little bit. Look like it's full. So I will start the car. Okay, started up perfectly fine. Nothing seems to be evidently wrong. Holding coolant. Coolant's in the middle. Only thing I'm trying to wait on now is my damn radiator fan to kick on. It's taking forever. Got that good Koyo. How hot do you got to be? Oh, there we go. Finally kicked on. Alright, my job here is done.
Yeah, persecuting the system, find it worth in my rhythm. I don't question, I move them. I don't stop, I pursue them. Dreams, goals, no illusion. Like my mama pray. I'm my mama, I'm gonna make it out here in the Bay. Travel far so I can have a better life. Got my education so that I could do what's right. Now I'm on my own, music